So on this video, let us talk about how you can make money with this website, which is called respondent.io. What is respondent.io? Respondent is like a freelancer platform, or is a survey platform. So a freelancer platform is, let's say for example, is a website that allows an individual to complete a task, and you get paid by doing that. It's just the same thing like a survey site, and that is what this website is all about. So what they do is that they give you a very simple task to complete, like just review a product, software or tools, or give them opinion about the product or service that you have used, and you will get paid by you just doing that. So this website, which is called respondent.io, is very simple and easy to use, and anyone can take advantage of it and start using it to make good amount of money online. And as you can see that they are saying that reloading, researching love, and respondent, you can see Canva, IBM, Microsoft, GoDaddy, and Intuit. So all these are people that they are letting us know that those are the people that have testimony about them, or that have used their service. They can match you according to your profile. So what they do is that they can match you according to your profile. Let us say you set up your profile as a video editor. They are going to match you with the people that is looking for you to review video editing software. Let us say for example CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro, or Movavi video editor, or NVIDIA or InVideo. So all these are things that you can find on those websites, or you can find, like for example, finance review. You can review a bank, you can review like a Revolut card, or you can review like Trading 212 app. So all these are things that they are looking for people to do for them, and you can find all these old tasks on this website, which is called respondent.io. You can really make good amount of money on this website, which is called respondent.io, if you are able to do your review properly. So this area where they say sign up for paid research is true. So they have paid me to do research for a particular company. So there is a company that wanted me to review their alcohol product, and I reviewed the product and they paid me my money. And there was a company too that asked me to give idea of a kind of logo they want to use. So I give them idea of the design of the logo that I think, or I have my opinion, or I think that is good. And the company said they like my idea and they took it in account and they paid me that money. So I have made good amount of money from this website by just talking to people that I'm not seeing, or by just talking to a robot, and that is it. And a lot of time you are talking to a robot. They just fill a survey, and all you just need to do is to reply yes, no, choose color, and disagree with the color. All these are things that you can do, and you get paid on this website, which is called respondent.io. So you can do a lot of things on those websites. When I click on get started here, it's going to pop this page up. You can see this page here. It's going to pop this page up, and it's going to ask us to create our account. And they have two accounts. Let us say if you create a researcher account, you are not going to make money on this researcher account. You are the one that is going to be paying participants to do work for them. So if you want to do research about any study, you can come to this website, create a researcher account if you want to be offering people job. But if you want to be like completing all those jobs for researcher, then you can click on participants here and join as a participant and start making money. You can see what it said: participants, I want to earn money by participating in user research. Simple as that. So what we are doing is to be participating in service and get paid by doing that. So once I click on participants here, it's going to open up a page that will ask us to fill up the form here. So you can see here, so this is the page that you have opened up for us. So once it's opened up this page, don't forget, make sure it's showing I am a participant. When you show I am a researcher, you are not going to find the same home page that you will find on the researcher dashboard. So make sure you are on the I am a participant page. And once you click on enter your name, last name, your email account, agree to their terms of service, terms and condition and privacy policy, and click on create. And if you want to read it, you can read their privacy policy and terms of conditions. So it's very, very important for you to read it too and see what they are really taking from you and see the agreement of what you have signed on. Because you are not signing, but by you agreeing means that you are signed to the terms and condition and privacy policy. Just for you to understand what you are doing. So once I click on create account here, it's going to automatically create my own account for me. And once the account is created, you are going to fill up a little bit form, how you want to receive your money, and your little bit simple experience of how you can participate in a service, and what are the things that you are interested in and the things that you are not interested in. So those are the simple things that they are going to ask you. And once you have completed everything, then you are good to go. So one thing that I see that is a barrier on this to many people on this website, which is called Respondentio, is how they can verify their phone number and how they can verify their work email account. So on your phone number, these websites, I have used it, and it's showing me that they are available all over the world. A lot of people are saying that it's not available in their country, they are having issue to sign up, but this website is available worldwide. And if you're having problem on it, you can leave me that comment in the comment section below. I will try my best to help you if I can. So just for you to know about that. And for the people who want to verify their work email, you can verify your work email, you can choose to leave it. Just that when you choose to leave it, a lot of companies will not contact you. But when you put your work email, a lot of companies are going to even contact you directly on that your work email, send you job for them, for you to complete for them. That is one thing, that is the advantage of you entering your work email. But sometimes this website is going to be notifying you time to time to verify your work email. So how to verify it? Enter your work email and they are going to send you directly to that your work email dashboard, and you are going to click on the link that is sent to you on that your work email, verify it, and every 90 days you need to repeat it again. This is just for security purpose, to make sure that you are active and it's a real human being that is doing those jobs for them. So that is one thing that I want you to understand here when it comes to that. And when you are verifying your phone number, one thing that I want you to still pay attention to is to focus on your own country. You know, when you are typing, before you type your phone number, select your country code. Before you type your phone number, make sure you select your country code. That is where a lot of people are making mistake. You know, I have seen that a lot. People say, oh, I'm trying to verify my phone number, but it's not working, because you are not doing it right. Before you enter your phone number, make sure you select. You see a part where it will be showing like US. Normally, it will be showing US as default, or the country where you are as default. Click on it, select the country where you are, and it is going to show your country code, and you are going to enter your phone number, and you are going to receive an SMS. You verify your account, you are good to go to start participating. So let me log into my own account and show you how you can join a program and start making money. So I will click on login now, and as you can see, it have logged me into my own account. You can see here it's telling me to verify my work email, which is what I'm just talking about since. So a lot of you will be saying, how can I get my work email? I have made a video where I showed step by step how you can get your work email. I don't know any other free way that you can use to get your work email. So I have made the video. Go and watch the video. It's going to pop up right now. Go and watch it. And if you want to learn how you can create your Respondent account step by step, you can go and watch this video that is going to still pop up right now. It's going to show you step by step how you can create your Respondent account from scratch to end. So I have made video about that. So to start joining task, you can see here there is a lot of job that you can do here. You can see this company, they are going to pay you $15 for you to just spend 10 minutes to participate in this task. You can see, are you looking to sign up to a business account with AMA financial app? So AMA is an app that a lot of companies are using to pay for subscription plan. Let us say you want to buy a product and you want to pay multiple times, you want to pay monthly. So that is what this application, which is called AMA, is doing. Go and do a review about this AMA, or you can go and join the program and see if it's good or not, and come back to here and you can click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to open up and it's going to tell you that you are going to follow 3 screens before you will be contacted. Either maybe the researcher, they are going to contact you, or they will not contact you. And you have to understand that this job is remotely. They might contact you and talk to you one-on-one through your phone number or through this application with the program that they are using to contact people. So it's just for you to understand how it works. So that is it. And if you scroll down here again, you can see other job, $25 for just 15 minutes of time that you are spending, and it's a one-on-one remote job. And you can see this one here, which is $20 for just 5 minutes of remote job, which is seeking people for a test payment project. So they are seeking people to test an app they are using for payment. And you can see here again, seeking user of enterprise communication tools, which means like let me say can be like a new app they are dated, a dating app. You know, all these are things that they are paying people to do. You can see they are going to pay you $65 for just spending 60 minutes, which is almost 1 hour, and which for me is very is very is worthy of that price. This one $65 again for the same project. And if you scroll down here again, you can see other seeking a workplace community admin. This is another job too that you spend like 60 minutes, which is 1 hour, you earn $75. You can see this one here, seeking engineer and manager working in HW design verification lab. And if you scroll down here, you can see other job to $100, have experience in working with developer multi-modal Gen AI solution. We want to talk to you. So 60 minutes you are going to earn $100. So these are things that you can do and make good amount of money from. So I want to stop from here, because if I keep on talking about it, you will be confused. And another way that you can use to make money on those websites is the referral program. When I click on referral here, you will see that you can make money by referring people, like $25 by just referring only one person. As long as the person join this program, make money from it, you are going to start making money. Until the person make money, that is when you will make money. If the person don't make money, you will not make money. So that is everything I want to talk about on this video, guys. I will say thank you very much, and I will see you on my next upcoming video. And don't forget, like this video, leave me a comment if you want to learn how you can make money with Respondentio, step-by-step guide of the video I have made. You can go and watch this video that will pop up right now. I will see you on my next upcoming video, guys. See you soon.